Good evening, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for Box Break 199. This is for a single box of 11-12 anthology, the second of the night. It is 12:03. Now it is Monday, October 28th. Well, good news, bad news. The bad news seems that box 198, we got the case hit. Got a case hit. Rookie silhouette. The good news, though, is that there's the serial number. Good news, though, I do not get boxes. These boxes are not necessarily from the same case. I didn't buy a case this time. So there's still a shot that but these are from different cases, and therefore we could get another silhouette. So let's get this started. First card is a Rookie Treasures Level 3 for the Florida Panthers, Eric Goodbranson. Eric Goodbranson, Rookie Treasures Level 3. That'll be out of $4.99. Florida Panthers. Calgary Flames, Lance Buma. Lance Buma, Pinnacle Rookie. For the Buffalo Sabres, Braden McNabb Phenoms, number 6 at $2.99. For the Predators, Gabriel Bork. Gabriel Bork and the Predators. For the Sabres, Corey Trop. Corey Trop, Pinnacle Rookie. Calder Contenders, Mike Murphy for the Hurricanes of $9.99. All right. Well, Anaheim, Peter Holland. It's a certified autograph. Looks like it's a gold or something because it's number 24 of 25. 24 of 25, Peter Holland, certified auto. Very cool. To be randomed between Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, Zach Rinaldo Joe Tally. Gonna random that afterwards. For the Oilers, Milan Kitnar. Milan Kitnar, Crown Royal. And our last pack for the non-luxury suite offer, which means there'll be another autograph in there. For the Blue Jackets, Alan York, Pinnacle Rookie. Alan York for the Jackets. pack does not want me in. That's cool. I like these cards. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, we have a Stanley Cup Nikolai Habibulin silver auto number 24 of 99. Very cool. And I'm going to set up the random now for the Philadelphia Pittsburgh Ronaldo Vitale. Alright, sorry folks. Just too much sound in the background. So, Ronaldo Vitale, Ronaldo Vitale. 3 randoms, whoever's in the number 1 spot will get it. 1, 2, lastly. Zach Ronaldo, Philadelphia Flyers are going to get the rookie rivalry card. Alright, congrats everybody, and look forward to seeing you again in the future. Good night.